First day bringing out the kayak, fishing in Millington, Tennessee, just north of Memphis. A little pond slash lake, I guess, off of a golf course. They allow boats in here, but you can only troll. It's a pretty good size. So it's about 7 acres or so. Should be a good day, about 60 degrees or so for the high. So hopefully we get on them.
Where's the catch? There must be a catch. Hey, alright, now this may be a little bit heady, and you know, I hate heady ass verses. I wrote the shit, so here we go. All my pessimistic keeps me in a cage. All my head is twisted, keeps me spinning around for days. Exorcism, pessimism has arisen. There's no reason, really treason to myself, so silly. So perfect, so why do I look for curtains? Uncertain, but certainly false alarms alerting. A burden and beautiful times a garden snake. Won't wipe me, but frightens me like I know I'm 8. I know I ain't, I know it ain't. Harmony, how many days of amazing will it be before it phases? And I say I told you so. Summer be bubs and some will be hovering over nothing. All of a sudden it's falling, it's over though. Come with me, calming me down. Be chamomile, calamine lotion, camel motion, hopping on the flow. Yeah. Tumble, we wanna leave before the apparitions take over the city. We build and discover gold. Alchemists make it silver before you know it. Negative nickels until it's void. Aluminum foil it back to soil.
Alright now.
Oh yeah.
Where's the